Click on the link below to get price. The AprilAire E050PZ 50 Pint professional grade whole house dehumidifier is an exceptional solution for combating excess humidity in larger homes. Designed to handle spaces up to 5,000 square feet, this unit is particularly beneficial for basements, crawl spaces, and other areas prone to dampness. Its capacity to remove up to 50 pints of moisture per day makes it an efficient choice for maintaining optimal indoor air quality. One of the standout features of the E050PZ is its built-in drain hose, allowing for continuous drainage. This means you can set it up and forget about it, as the dehumidifier automatically removes moisture without the need to empty a reservoir. This is a significant convenience for homeowners who want a hassle-free experience, especially during humid summer months. The installation process is straightforward, with clear instructions provided. The compact design allows for flexible placement, whether you choose to mount it on a wall or keep it freestanding. The unit operates relatively quietly, which is a plus for those who value a peaceful home environment. In terms of energy efficiency, the AprilAire E050PZ is commendable, featuring an Energy Star rating. This not only means lower utility bills but also a reduced environmental impact. The digital control panel is user-friendly, allowing you to set desired humidity levels and monitor performance effortlessly. One downside is that the initial investment may be higher compared to smaller portable models, but the long-term benefits of improved air quality and mold prevention make it a wise investment. Additionally, the build quality and reliability of AprilAire products are generally well regarded, suggesting that this dehumidifier will stand the test of time. Overall, the AprilAire E050PZ 50 Pint dehumidifier is an excellent choice for anyone looking to enhance their home environment by effectively managing humidity levels. Its performance, ease of use, and energy efficiency make it a top contender in the whole house dehumidifier market.